Choo-choo goes the planet train, riding through the cosmic lane. Hop aboard, it's time to see planets spinning wild and free. Planet train, oh planet train, zooming past the stars again. Around the sun, a shining track, through the galaxy, no looking back. First stop, Mercury, small and fast, closest to the sun, it's a fiery blast. Next is Venus, hot and bright, covered in clouds, what a glowing sight. Planet train, oh planet train, zooming past the stars again. Around the sun, a shining track, through the galaxy, no looking back. Earth is next, our home so blue, with oceans wide and skies so true. Mars is red with dusty plains, mountains high and rocky terrains. Through the asteroid belt we ride, dodging rocks, what a bumpy slide. Next comes Jupiter, big and strong, with swirling storms that sing a song. Saturn's rings are shining bright, round and round, a dazzling sight. Uranus spins on its side, so cool, an icy giant with a cosmic rule. Neptune's winds are fast and wild, a distant planet, the sun's last child. The train's last stop, we've reached the end. Let's ride again, my cosmic friend.